So this model here is showing interphase. Interphase is everything outside of mitosis. How we know it's interphase is it has a nucleus here, and here these two dots, which we learned in the cell model, are centrioles here, and this is what they look like on this model. And here they're very close together, and so that indicates to us that this is interphase. Over here, this is our first stage of mitosis, and this is prophase. This is an early prophase, this is a later prophase. So in prophase here, those centrioles are moving apart from each other, and then eventually they move to opposite ends of the cell, as we see here. We initially have a nucleus, but that nucleus breaks up, and we no longer see it here. And so what we have here at the end are chromosomes. The next stage after prophase is metaphase, and in this phase, the chromosomes have lined up in the middle of the cell. All right? So sometimes this is referred to as the metaphasal plate or the equator of the cell. It's the center of the cell here. These pink lines and this red line is trying to show the spindle fibers, and these are the chromosomes once again, which are made up of two sister chromatids. Next here is anaphase. In anaphase here, the sister chromatids are now separated from each other, and now they're called daughter chromosomes. So these are daughter chromosomes from each other. We still see the spindle fibers here. These are still the centrioles. So early anaphase, they've been separated. Those chromosomes have been separated. Later anaphase, they're separated a little bit more. Our last stage of mitosis is telophase, and this is showing telophase here. Telophase is indicative by what's going on the edges. This is called the cleavage furrow. This is part of cytokinesis. That's a separation of the cytoplasm. But what's happened here also is that the chromosomes have completed their migration. New nuclei are forming. And so this is what indicates here telophase. So new nuclei, cytokinesis is pinching in, which we'll definitely see when we look at the slides of mitosis. And then after telophase, what we have here are daughter cells. Now, daughter cells are actually back into the stage of interphase, which is everything outside of mitosis. So cytokinesis has been complete. We now have two cells.